హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. ఈ రోజు నుంచి 10th క్లాస్ సోషల్ స్టడీస్ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం వారికి 1 మార్క్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ పెడుతున్నాను. రెగ్యులర్గా చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ లెసన్ ఇండియా రిలీఫ్ ఫీచర్స్, 1 మార్క్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్స్. వెల్కమ్ టు ఆల్. న్యూ సిలబస్ ప్రకారం అంటే ఈ సంవత్సరం పోర్షన్ రెడ్యూస్ చేశారు. 30%, 70%కి ఎగ్జామ్ పెడుతున్నారు. సో ప్రభుత్వ ఉత్తర్వుల మేరకు ఆ విధంగా చేయడం జరిగింది. అందువల్ల దాని ప్రకారం ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ని నేను అందిస్తున్నాను. ఫస్ట్ లెసన్ ఇండియా రిలీఫ్ ఫీచర్స్. సో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, వాట్ ఈజ్ లార్సియా? ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ది ఎర్త్ ల్యాండ్ masses forms organized from two continents, namely Angara land, also called Larsia, and Gondwana land. The second question, ancient continental mass in the northern hemisphere that included North America, Europe and Asia except peninsular India was called Larsia. Second one, what is Gondwana land? Ancient continental mass consisted present day South America, Africa, Arabia, Madagascar, India, Australia and Antarctica. Second point, the Indian peninsula was a part of Gondwana land. Third one, which longitude is taken as Indian Standard Meridian? Answer is 82.5 degrees east is taken as Standard Meridian. Fourth one, what is the time difference between GMT and IST? Answer is the time difference between GMT and IST is plus 5 hours. The fifth question, expand GMT. Answer is Greenwich Mean Time. Sixth question, expand IST. Answer is Indian Standard Time. Seventh one, write the location of India. Answer is India lies between 8 degrees 4 north and 37 degrees 6 northern latitudes. Second point, and between 68 degrees 7 and 97 degrees 25 eastern longitudes. Eighth question, 82.5 degrees eastern longitude is passing through how many states in India? The answer is 5 states. They are Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh. Ninth question, through which states the Tropic of Cancer passes? Answer is Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 states in India. They are 1 Gujarat, 2 Rajasthan, 3 Madhya Pradesh, 4 Chhattisgarh, 5 Jharkhand, 6 West Bengal, 7 Tripura, 8 Mizoram. 10th question, name the state separating Sri Lanka from India. Answer is the Pak state separating Sri Lanka from India. 11th question, which are the major physiography divisions of India? 1. The Himalayas. 2nd. The Indo-Gangetic Plains. 3rd. The Peninsular Plateau. 4th. The coastal plains. 5th. The desert. 6th. The islands. 12th question, name the parallel ranges in Himalayas. Answer, the Himalayas are comprised of 3 parallel ranges. 1. Himadri, it is also called Higher Himalayas. 2. Himachal, called Lesser Himalayas. Third one, 3 Shivaliks, called Outer Himalayas. So is Outer Himalayas is located northeastern states. 13th question, which Indian islands are volcanic origin? Answer, Andaman and Nicobar, called Nakonam and Barren Islands. 14th question, what are called coral reefs? Answer is First point, coral reefs are underwater structures made from calcium carbonate secreted by corals. Second one, Lakshadweep Islands are of coral origin. 15th question, what is the what is a perennial river? Answer is a perennial river which flows water throughout the year. Example Ganga. 16th question, name the highest peak in southern India. Point 1, Anaimudi is the highest peak in southern India. Second point, it is located in Annamalai Hills with the height of 2,695 meters. 17th question, name the tributaries of River Indus. Answer is, River Indus has 5 tributaries. They are 1 Jhelum, 2 Chenab, 3 Ravi, 4 Bias, 5 Sutlej. 18th question, what is dune? Give examples. Answer is, a narrow longitude, a flat bottomed strike valleys between the Himachal and the Shivaliks are called dunes. The prominent dunes are Dehradun, Kotli Dune and Patli Dune. 19th question, define coastal plains. Answer is, coastal plains are the area of flat, low-lying land adjacent to sea coast. 20th question, define leeward side. Answer, the rain shadow region opposite to windward side of mountain. 21st question, what are glaciers? Answer is, a huge mass of ice slowly moving over a land mass. 22nd question, define the term bhabur. Answer is, gravel and pebble sediments feature is known as bhabur. 23rd question, define the term terai. Answer is, swampy and marsh region called terai. 24th question, which place is situated on the 3 seas in India? First point, Kanyakumari is situated on the 3 seas in India. Second point, they are Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. Define the word delta. Answer is, the fertile land that is formed by the deposition of alluvial soil brought by the rivers generally in a shape. 26th question, name the famous hill stations in the Himalayas. Answer, the valleys of Kulu, Kangra, Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Raniket are the famous hill stations in the Himalayas. 27th question, name the countries of Indian subcontinent. Answer is, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka and Maldives. 28. Write about the location of Andhra Pradesh. Answer is, the Andhra Pradesh lies between 12 degrees 41 north and 22 degrees north latitude. Second point, Andhra Pradesh lies between 77 degrees east and 84 degrees east longitude, the coastline of Andhra Pradesh. 29th question, how many kilometers India shares boundary with Bangladesh? Answer is 4,906 kilometers. 30th question, the Himalayas do not extend into which of the following states? Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Sikkim, Haryana, Punjab, Uttaranchal. Answer, the Himalayas do not extend into the following states. One is Madhya Pradesh, second one Haryana. 31st question, write about Purvanchal Hills. Point 1, in Arunachal Pradesh, Himalayas takes hairpin bend to the south and act as eastern boundary to the India. Second point, they run through northeastern states. Third one, these divisions are called Purvanchal Hills. 32nd, what are coral reefs? Answer, the large underwater structures composed of the skeleton of corals, which are sea animals. 33. What is meant by dune? Answer is between Lesser Himalayas and Shivalik ranges called dune. Example Dehradun, Kohli-Dun. 34th question. Which is the richest plateau in India? Answer is Chota Nagpur. By MVG Pradeep. Thank you for watching.